Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from GLOSSYBOX. If you're not familiar with this company, you get 5 deluxe-sized beauty products. And if you want to try a subscription, I do have a promo code below and a link. If you just order through the link, then you get your first box for 16 bucks. This box is adorable. I will definitely be repurposing this. It's glittered and textured and super cool. Very nicely packaged. Guess I'll just untie that. Best time of the year. There's our product, so I'm just going to set that aside for a moment and then we'll look at that at the end. How cool. So here's the first item. This is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. I have not heard of this company, so that will be exciting to try. The full size retails for $53 and the deluxe mini is $8.48. It says to restore balance to your scalp with its iconic scrub, suitable for every hair type and texture. It removes buildup and flakiness. Very cool. Definitely use that. I love hair products. Then we have a coconut biocellulose eye mask. That's pretty cool. Oh, cool, and that's what it looks like too. I haven't had an eye mask that looked similar to that. I normally just have like the pads that go under the eye, so that's cool. And this retails for $6, and you're supposed to put it on after cleansing and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Awesome. Ooh, I love these, if this is what I think it is. So this is a lavender foot mask, and it actually has CBD in it, which is awesome. It's refreshing and relaxing. There's one pair in here. Hopefully this is the kind that make your foot peel, because those are awesome. Those work really well. But let's see, this may just be one you just rub in, I think. Put it in there, close it, leave it for 20 minutes, discard the foot mask, and massage the remaining serum. So this one may not peel, but hey, that's okay. My feet are so disgustingly dry at all times. Probably because I never wear shoes. I'm always in flip-flops, so this is awesome. We'll definitely use this. This retails for $9.99. Next up, we have Nude Sticks. This is a gel color lip and cheek balm. It's really pretty. And this retails for $26. It says you could apply it to your lips for full glossy coverage, or you can use it as a blush. And then is that last one in the box? Let's see. This is a moisture cream, Youth to the People. So the deluxe size retails for $18 and the full size retails for $58, and it says it's formulated for dry, sensitive skin, which is definitely me, and it says it does not clog pores. So that is awesome. Sounds good for my skin. So let's take a look at the card. So there's 6 items listed in here, but mine had all of them except for this. There was a coffee scrub. So the lip color, that was a full size. That's a deluxe mini, deluxe mini, deluxe mini, full size, and full size. Very cool. I'm happy with this, and I'm super excited to try some of these products. So again, if you'd like to try your box and get it for $16, use the link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.